So you just became a certified life coach. That's awesome! But you're looking for a way for you to sign up clients and make money fast now that you become certified as a life coach. Don't worry, I got you covered in this video.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K as a life coach or healer with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're going to be going over how you can make money fast after you became certified as a life coach. Let's rock and roll. So the first thing that we want to make sure that we do when we're looking to make money fast is we need to identify who it is that we are wanting to help. And through this identification, we really want to identify who it is that we're wanting to help through identifying and figuring out the niche that we're wanting to serve. Our niche is going to be in that sub-market of the 3 core markets that are going to be provided inside the marketplace. Those 3 core markets are going to be health, wealth, and relationships. And what we want to make sure that we do is we identify the sub-markets inside those core markets, and I have other videos that talk about that on my channel, so you can make sure to click on those videos to watch them more in detail. But we want to make sure that we go and we identify that sub-market inside those 3 core markets, and then we find the problem inside that sub-market that we want to solve. Once we then find that problem we want to solve, we then want to create a solution for that problem that we then want to solve, helping us to now have a solution to that problem that we now want to solve. Now, when we're looking to go out and identify our who, there's 2 specific desires that we want to make sure that we identify. We want to identify the surface desires that they're looking to obtain. So the surface desires that I help life coaches with are going to be helping life coaches make their first or next 100K. This is a surface desire because it's something that they can see, something they feel like they are really close to. Once they get that first or next 100K for their life coaching business or practice, that is going to help them get to their core desires. They're a little bit deeper, but they actually want to get to. That 100K that I'm helping them get to on their surface desire is actually helping them over here spend more time with their family, right? Or travel more, or whatever it might be, but it's helping them get to that core desire that they want to obtain. So what we want to make sure that we do once we identify our who is we want to make sure that we understand their surface desires and their core desires so that we understand exactly what it is that they want to get to so that we can identify the problems that they have and create solutions to those problems that they have. Before I go into specifically how to create an offer, you know, that thing that people actually buy from you and pay you money so that you can be a life coach to begin with, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. Make sure to click this button below and subscribe. All right, so now that we know who it is that we want to serve, and we ultimately know the solution or the problem that they have, and we've kind of got an idea of what that solution is that we want to provide them, now we need to start creating the offer that we want to provide them. Now, a lot of times, a lot of life coaches and healers get stuck in creating just a solution, and they don't actually create an offer, making it very, very difficult for them to make a lot of sales in their life coaching business. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we create a full-on offer that's going to answer all the objections that our prospects who are looking at this offer might have. So what we want to make sure that we do inside this offer is we make sure that we answer 4 specific things. The first one being in the solution, what is the vehicle to that solution that we're going to be able to provide? How are we going to provide this specific solution to the people who are buying it? Are we going to pack it up in a cardboard box and ship it off in an airplane? Are we going to run a virtual event? Are we going to run a live event? Are we going to coach them? Are we going to do one-on-one coaching, group coaching? How are we going to deliver this solution to them? The next thing we want to make sure that we provide or show inside this offer, have inside this life coaching offer, is we want to make sure that we answer the objections that they're going to have, both internal and external objections. Answering the questions of, can I get this done? And do I have the resources to get this done inside this offer? And then the last and certainly not least inside this offer, we want to make sure that we give them a reason to act now or a reason to take action now. We usually do this by giving them a reason to act now inside this offer by basically giving them something that's not normally inside this offer, but giving it inside this offer for them to take action now inside this offer right now, or usually sometimes by a deadline sequence that is going to entice them to take action quickly on the offer that's being presented to them right now. Before I go into how you can take this offer and make money with it, I want to ask you, what type of life coach are you, and what type of offer are you putting out into the marketplace, and what problem are you solving? Let me know in those comments. All right, so now that we have the offer, let's talk about how we're going to make money. And specifically how we're going to make money is we are going to show off this offer to as many people as we can. And what we want to make sure we do is that we demonstrate to people how it is that we can help them by actually helping them, so that we can then show them an offer after helping them to be able to help them more. Now, the way that we do that, and we do this at mass and be able to sign up a lot of people at once, is through what we classify as profitable presentations. So what we do in profitable presentations is we go out there with things like challenges, things like workshops, online summits, and even master classes, and we go out there and give profitable presentations where we are able to go out there and help people by actually helping people in these presentations, so that after we help people in these presentations, we can then make offers at the end of these presentations, with these offers being able to help the people who come to these presentations more. Now, even if somebody doesn't come to the live presentation, we're still able to reach out to the people who registered to come to the presentation and still be like, hey, did you get a chance to see the presentation or get a chance to see the offer that we just made at this presentation that's only going to be available for so long? We want to make sure that you get an opportunity to take action on that offer, so that you can take action on that offer as a prospect who needs our help, and ultimately get our help from us as a life coach, so that we can help you with the problem that you have. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make their first or next 100K in the next year? Well, then I have a brand new 22-page guide that's absolutely free that you can grab right now. Just click on that link in the description and grab your free copy of the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link down there below and grabbing your free 100K Life Coach Launch Guide today. We'll see you in the next video.